Hey guys, crazy cool tutorials here. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this adorable little bunny right here out of regular old printer paper. And it bounces somewhat like this. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Get your paper and your scissors and let's get started. Okay, so like I said before, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute little bunny that also bounces. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So to make our origami bunny, I'm going to be using some square paper that's cut out of regular old printer paper. Now you could use origami paper if you wanted to add some color, but the only notable difference is that it's a lot smaller and it's not gonna bounce as much or hop as much. So that's one of the few things that I noticed, but other than that, you can use origami paper too. So if you're using one-sided origami paper, have the white side facing up. So the first step is we're gonna take this bottom edge and line it up with the top edge. So just like that, and give it a crease. Okay, so now you want the creased part facing upwards and the two open flaps facing towards you. Now you're going to take one of the flaps and take this side and match it up to this crease. So just like that. And give it a good crease. Now flip it over and do the same thing for this side. Take this side and match it up to the crease. And give it a good crease. Okay, so now you should have something like this and something like this. So you want this to be facing away from you. Now you want to take one of these bottom flaps right here and take this side and match up to this side. So we're basically creating a triangle, just like that. And once you have them matched up, give it a nice good crease. Okay, so now you want to flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. So just take this side right here and match up to this side. So now you have something that looks like this. So have it like this and then just flip it over. So this should be facing towards you. And then what you want to do is you want to take this and you just want to flip it over itself. So just like this. And once this line starts to show, just give it a good crease. So this line is on the crease that we're just making right now. Just like that. So it should look something like this. Just like that. Okay? So now what you want to do is you want to open this up. And then you want to open this pocket up just like this. And by opening this pocket up, you're basically creating a triangle. So that's all we want to do. Just flatten it out. And do the same thing for this side. So open this up and just squash it down, just like that. So now you should have something that looks like this. Now you want to take this top portion right here and fold it down, just like that. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to take this point right here and mash up to this point right here. So just take it and just fold it up and mash it up. But don't crease it. Only crease it on the sides. Like this, and then on this side too, just like that. And now you want to uncrease it, just unfold it just like that, and then you want to take these 2 points right here and match up to this right here. So just do this, match the creases up, and then give it a good crease. Okay, so now we can flip this whole thing over, just like that. Now you want to take this side's flap, and just fold it up just like this. That's all you need to do. And now you want to take this side and fold it like this. So you want to take it like this, and you want to fold it just like that. But, so basically you want this side to almost meet this point right here. But you're going to leave like just a little bit of gap. You can just estimate. And try to make sure that these 2 lines right here are parallel. Just do your best. I know it's very hard, and even I can't do it correctly. But just try your best. So try to leave as tiny of a gap as you can, but still a noticeable gap. just like that. And make sure they're all parallel, and just give it a good crease. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to unfold this flap right here, just unfold it like that, and just turn this whole thing over just like this, so that this is facing away from you and that this is facing towards you. Now what you want to do is you want to take this side right here and match it up to this right here. So just take this right here, this side, just match it up. Make sure everything's matched up. Make sure the sides over here and over here are matched up. But most importantly, make sure this is matched up. And once you have it, give it a good crease. Okay, so now we're gonna do this same thing that we did to this, but in a little bit of a different way. So again, rotate it, and then you want to take this side right here and match up to this side right here. So just take this side, fold it over itself, and match it up. And then another point is you want to take this side and match it up to this point right here, just like that. So once you have it all matched up, give it a good, nice crease. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna do a paper airplane fold. So no, we're not making a paper airplane, but still. So we're gonna take this side and match up to this center line right here. There is a center line. I don't think you can see it on the paper, but yeah, there you go. So just match up to that center line, just like that, and hold the papers down firmly so they don't slide. Match it up like that, and then do the same thing for the other side, just like that. Perfect. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to take this right here. We just want to fold it down. This point should be matching to this point. So we just want to take it like this, fold it down, and give it a good crease. Okay, now we want to unfold it, unfold this, and then unfold this too. And now flip it over. Okay, so now we have to fold along this line, like this. Just fold along this line, just like that. Okay, and now unfold, and now fold along this line. So you just fold it like this. Just like that, and make sure all the papers stay together. Okay, and give it a good crease. So now you can unfold it, and now we're gonna make a water bomb base. So push in on these 2 points, and then flatten this top out, just like that. And then you can take this top triangle and fold it the other way on the already existing crease. Now just make sure it's all straight, and if it isn't, just adjust it just a little. Just like that. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to open these 2 flaps right here, just like that. And then you want to put your finger into this pocket, and then flatten this pocket down. Now make sure this crease right here, is matched up to this point right here, just like that. And do the same thing for the other side. Just make sure the creases are matched up, just so it's straight. Perfect. Okay, so now we have to do this. So just rotate it from this to this. Now what you want to do is you want to take this point and match it up to this point right here, this edge I mean. So just take it and just match it up, and then it should make a little crease like that. So now you're going to take this point and match it to that little crease, but do not fold it. That's right, don't fold it, just make a little point in the middle. And then what you want to do is you want to just take this tip and just bend it down this way, just like that. And if you're having difficulty, you can fold it up to this crease right here. Doesn't really matter. Fold it up to this crease right there, and then take this and just fold it down just like that. Okay, so now you can flip it over. So now basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna rabbit ear this, but this is actually gonna be the rabbit's tail. So what you wanna do, first you wanna push this and just fold it over itself, just like that. And then you wanna take this side of the triangle right here and match it up to this crease. So just take that triangle and just match it up and unfold it, Now take this side and match up to this crease. Just like that. And now if you just put a little bit pressure on these, it should fold up just like that. And then you can fold this whole thing in half, just like that. Now once everything's folded, just make sure everything's lined, give it a nice good crease. And that's the base body of the bunny. Now we have to work out a few things and then your bunny will be complete. So now what we have to do is we have to take this and just fold it over itself. We're not gonna fold it, we're just bending it right now. Just bend it just like that. And do the same thing for the other side. This is just some gentle bending. And then you wanna open this like that. And you see this? This is actually the snout of the bunny. And just take it out and then fold it back. Okay, so now you can see the bunny's snout. That's what it is. Now you can fold and crease everything down. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to take this right here and hold it like this and just push inward. This would automatically fold over this and this. So basically all you have to do is just push inward and it will automatically fold itself. That's one of the cool things about origami. It all fits in. Okay, so now once it's folded, just double check that it's as far as it can go and then give everything a good crease. Okay, now you want to take this part right here and fold it over the leg. This is the leg. Just fold it over like that and unfold it, open this, and just tuck it in just like that. Right? So now let's go ahead and actually make the bunny's back legs so it can actually bounce. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just open this like that, just like that, just push down like that. And you wanna take this point right here and match up to this point. So we're just gonna take these 2 points and try our best to match them up. Now, don't fold it. You have to bend it. So if you fold it, your bunny will not bounce as high. So don't fold it, just bend it. And then you wanna rotate it like this. And then you wanna take these 2 points, 1 and 2, and take them and match them up to these 2 points right here. So what you have to do for that is also don't fold it, just bend it just like that. And there you go. That's your bunny. So now let me show you how to hop it. Oh wait, one more thing. Before we hop it, this thing right here, just push it down just like this. So basically your finger will slide off the bunny and it'll hop. That's the point. Okay, so let me show you how to hop it. Hey guys, so before I show you guys how to bounce the rabbit, I need to ask you guys to subscribe to my channel. Like seriously, more than 55% of you guys that watch my videos aren't subscribed. So please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks. Okay, so like I said, to make this bunny bounce, your finger will slide off of this point and then it'll bounce. So let me just show you how. So it's like this, and you want this point to almost be touching the floor, just like that. And then when you slide your finger off, it bounces just like that. So you may have noticed that it resembles a rabbit, but it doesn't have the features that rabbits have, like curves. It's just straight lines. So I can teach you guys how to take this and transform it into this. Now this definitely looks a lot more like a rabbit, and best of all, it still bounces. So if you guys want, I'll make a video on how to transform this into this. So be sure to leave a comment in the comment section so I know that you guys want that. Okay? Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Anyways, I'll see you next time.